Alright, so today I'm going to be finally installing these clear corner lights in with my MR2 to replace these amber ones. It's super simple. All you need is a pry tool and a Phillips head, and then it should be straightforward. So I'm replacing them with these depot lights. These cost me $80 for the kit, and they do look pretty good. I might black this out if I choose so later though. So first things first, you gotta pry open this corner part of the light. It should just pop out super easily. Well, apparently I didn't have a screw in, but after that there should be, I pulled out the screw. Well, that works. But this should have popped out, and then you would have unscrewed that and then unplug that. And then install the new one. First you gotta undo this half. So just pull it out and it'll pop out of this thing. So now just plug in your new light. Right, oh, it's upside down now. Right into there. Should click into place. And then this part goes into that hole, slides in. Nice and easy. And now put your screw right there. Okay, next up, the other half. Stick that into there. And then you should just pop on in. Like that. Now onto there. First thing you gotta do is turn your wheel so you could get to the fender liner. So it's just a couple of these Phillips heads that you need to remove. Then you can peel it back and reach the bolts. Okay, now you can just peel it back. You should be able to see the bolts. Okay, so once you remove that one and the one behind here, you just easily come out. And just remove the clip. Oh, I yanked it and it came off. So here's the depot. That's the clip. Plug it in. So after that's clipped in, you just bolt it back up, push it in, and you're good to go. So here's the before with the amber lights. And there's the clear corner lights. I'm gonna see the fog light now. I think that looks a lot better. There it is.